Okay, so today we'll be opening up this ACDelco oil filter, number PF63. And I got this oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is John Purolator from Yonkers, New York. Thanks, John. This filter was in service for 4 months, 3,133 miles, and came off of John's 2018 Chevy Impala. Yep, the one with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, which now has 66,677 miles. He normally uses Pennzoil or Mobil 1, but this time his girlfriend, whose name is Jennifer, picked out the oil, and he was using full synthetic Royal Purple 5W30 oil during this period. She also picked out Redline fuel system cleaner for the same time period. Let's see how this oil filter looks. So let's get started. You gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration. Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. And the date code, 24205ES. Product of USA. This is a sticker. And this filter has 14 inlet holes, nylon center core, bypass valve down below, 4 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket. Which you can see right here, it sticks out pretty good. I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. It's a pretty thick gasket. Okay. Alright, and let's open this filter up and see what it looks like inside. Okay, not too much oil, it's good. Base plate, you can see all those inlet holes, it's nice. A little bit of oil in there. And this is a ethylene acrylic anti-drain back valve, which is slightly better than the nitro rubber anti-drain back valves. It resists oil better, hot oils. So it's got a little flex to it, it's nice. Covers up those nicely. Okay, I don't see no slits or tears in it or anything. Looks good. Filter element. Get your metal end caps. You got a glued seam right here. Kind of a gap there. It's usually the case though, where the seam is. And I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. You see something right there it caught. Looks that must be part of the can. Blue paint. Yeah, I'd say it's part of the can. Okay, and this is a cellulose polyester microglass blend media with a micron rating of 98%. It's a multi-pass micron rating of 98% efficiency at 25 to 30 microns. And nice deep pleats. Okay, I don't see no tears, no excess soot or carbon. Yeah, it all looks nice. Bypass valve. And this has a setting of 22 psi. So it looks nice, nice shape. The can. Oh, we got nice and clean in there. And I'll put the measurements of this can up on the screen. You can pause it if you want, so you can see some of the paint right there. Sometimes it comes off when I'm cutting the filter open. Yeah, that all looks good. Okay, let's get the width of this filter. Okay, we got, well, that's pretty glared there. Okay, call it 3.48. 3.48 inches wide minus a tenth of an inch. Okay, let's open this filter up, squeeze it out, and see what it looks like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, so here's the filter all stretched out. And this ACDelco oil filter is 52.5 inches long. Okay, now let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.99 millimeters thick. Okay, here's the filtering side, back side. And this filter is really clean. You're going to see some, under a microscope, you're going to see a couple little soot particles. And you're going to see a couple light spots also. So let's take a look at that microscope picture. So as you can see under the microscope picture, the filter looks pretty clean. And it looks clean on the surface out here too. Let's look at it up close. So I would say John's engine is running nice and clean. Seems to like this royal purple. Really no soot on it. No sparklies. Yeah, it's real clean. Now let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So you got a nice thick gasket with it. It's a real thick gasket. You can see right here where it went up against the block. And got no trouble with oil flow. Look at all these inlet holes. This is nice. Nice grooves there for threads. No trouble with oil flow here. It'd be nice if it had a silicone gasket, but this one seems to have held up, fine. It's not quite as springy as a silicone, but it's still nice. And the bypass valve. So I'd say with the oil and the filter combination, John's engine seems to be liking that. Of course, oil analysis would tell you more. What do you guys think about this oil filter? And again, I want to thank John for sending me this used ACDelco oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and take care.